Hello friend, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to take a look at the best and effective method to quickly remove temporary files on a Windows PC. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you can get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you. First, click on the Start menu and click on Settings. On the Settings page, click on System. Now on the left pane, click on Storage. The Storage section will show you a list of file categories. Click on Temporary Files. Now wait for Windows to list all the temporary files that you can remove. This process might take a while, so exercise some patience. Over here you will see all the temporary files on your Windows PC. To remove the temporary files, you will need to select the file types you want to remove. But first, make sure to read the description of the file type before you select them. After selecting the file types that you want to remove, click on Remove Files. And this will remove all the temporary files that you have in the selected categories. This will also help free up some disk space on your PC. This is one of the best ways to remove temporary files on Windows. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you do, then please make sure to drop a like on this video. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you can get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thank you.